Sojourn with the Lord.
People spoke well of him and were amazed at the gracious words that came from his mouth. The words which Jesus read from the book of Isaiah was there years back, and so many people might have read the same in front of the people in the same place. But this time, when Jesus read that, people could feel something special in his words. It was because when others read, it was just written words. But when Jesus was reading it, the words were becoming true. The Spirit of the Lord was with Jesus always, and each action, words, and thoughts of Jesus were really pointing to liberation and salvation of the world. When our words become our action, then our words can have effect on others. Otherwise, our words will always remain just a word which enters through one ear and goes out through another. But if our words are connected to our real lives, it can strike the hearts of others. Even though the words of Jesus could amaze the people and make effect on them, people were not ready to accept that because of the social and class difference. That's why people asked, "Is not this Joseph's son?" They believed that the good things and knowledge come from people in the higher caste. So it was not acceptable for them that carpenter's son's words can have such authority. This reluctance and indifference to change from the customary way of thinking restricted the change in the society. Through this, Jesus teaches us that God does not keep any difference between rich or poor, higher or lower class. For God, everyone is same and His children. Word alone can't do anything, but words with action can do a lot. Be open to change and to others. Lord, give us the grace that our lives may become a living example of your value.